Alright, magandang araw mga kalabada. Rogelio Tapang here with Laundrypreneur, and today I am so honored and privileged to be present in this event happening here at the Holiday Inn dito sa may Robinson's Galleria sa Ortigas. And this event is all about OPL segmentation. And again, I am honored to be joined today, this morning, by the founder himself of this event, of this program, President and CEO of ELS Philippines, Sir Joey Ermita.
Thank you. Sir Roel, alam mo, basta laundrypreneur, this person, kailangan talaga pag ito, makikipag-usap sa lahat ng tao at maliban ako, kailangan talaga ito, bigyan natin ng kaukulang na atensyon lahat ng sinasabi niya.
Maraming salamat, sir. Pero actually, the truth is, kayo lang naman po din ang mentor ko. No? We have, for everyone's information, we have been together for 10 years already. No? I got to, magta 10 years. I got to know Sir Joey 2015. So ngayon, on the 9th year, next year, 10 years na. So mahaba-haba na rin pong panahon that we have been together. And just to be very quick para po dito sa ating chat this morning, sir, bigyan nyo lang kami ng idea. So ano ba itong OPL segmentation? What is this?
You know, laundry has so many industries na pwede natin pasukin. And itong mga industries ito, like for example, hotels, resorts, food manufacturing, semicon, and a lot more. No? We are today unlocking the potential and of these segments in these industries, and we're trying to look at how we can strengthen the position, the partners that we have in able to provide the right solutions for every kind of industries there is. Kailangan kung ano ang pangangailangan, there is always a specific na solution, and we can never have one solution na lahat and to answer all requirements. There's always be a specific requirement and a specific solution, and that is what we are here today.
So that's why we call it segmentation, right? Because we want to identify saan ba pwedeng i-apply ang mga laundry solutions.
And if we can be very strategic in our approach, then we can be very strategic in our concept solution.
Alright, sir. Isang quick question lang ulit, no? Paano kaya makikinabang yung mga pangkaraniwang laundry shop owner? Meron ba silang role dito? Kasi sir, parang pangmalakihan na ata to, sir. How can you translate this para sa mga regular laundry shop owners, entrepreneurs?
You know, it's always a good start that you first look at laundry in its basic sense. Nag-business tayo ng laundry, and we're processing clothes, daily items na ginagamit ng pangkaraniwan na tao. Pero kung itindihin natin, ito mga tao na to, nagtatrabaho sa ibang industries din. Yung iba dyan nagtatrabaho sa hotel, iba dyan nagtatrabaho sa hospital, at a lot more, no? But if you're going to look at kung saan sila nagtatrabaho, may mga linens doon. So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, madali na tayo mag-transition into how to develop a bigger way of solving a particular requirement, because we already know the basic. But the basics is also a starting point. So, alam na natin ang paglalaba, kailangan natin ng makina. Kailangan natin ng detergent. Kailangan natin kung mapoprocess natin at certain volume. Ito, pag lumalaki ang volume, iba't iba ang application, iba't iba rin ang pangangailangan ng chemicals na kailangan natin doon, or dumadami ang lalaban, siyempre, kailangan natin tingnan kung paano tayo magsiservisyo using the right equipment and the right technology and the right way of solving it.
Alright. So, ibig pala sabihin, kahit na mga pangkaraniwang laundry shop owners, they can play a very important part, no? Kasi yung iba, nag-iisip how they can grow their business, how they can expand. Dito, ini-expose natin sila that there is more to laundry than just personal care laundry.
We call it unlocking the potential.
Unlocking the potential. And so with that, mga kalabada, again, Sir Joey, maraming salamat.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah, maraming salamat din po. It's an honor to be here. No? At marami po tayong matututunan dito sa mga events na ginagawa ng ELS Philippines. So sundan po natin sila, si Sir Joey. Naku, ang dami na pong followers dito sa Facebook. No? So tuloy-tuloy po natin pakinggan at aralin natin yung mga pointers na binibigay niya. Among all other experts in the industry. And by the way, so bago tayo sabihin na rin natin itong background natin, sir. What is this all about? Laundry Experts Group.
Well, of course, we try to elevate each and everyone who wants to share their ideas, their expertise. But of course, we need to create this certain association that we have to make sure that the knowledge imparted here has to be imparted well sa mga audiences and targeted people that would require this personal specific expertise. So we join everyone here who wants to be part of the laundry expert group. Let's gather ourselves and we share our knowledge and expertise so that we can develop the industry.
All right. So in the coming few weeks and months, we'll hear more and more about the Laundry Experts Group. Halina kayo, sama-sama na tayo dito sa Laundry Experts Group. So with that, again, to all of you mga kalabada, maraming salamat for listening in. Sana po ay may mga napulot kayong kaalaman dito sa ating discussion with Sir Joey. Again, thank you so much.